can't see us.
Alright, we ready? Yeah. Number talk for today. Today is Monday. Here's our first problem. Remember, if you have your answer, you put your thumb up here. Alright, Cora, what'd you get?
I got 9,103.
9,000.
103.
103. How do I write that? I have 9, comma 1. What would come next?
0.
0.
3.
3. 9,103. Notice that there's no tens place. So what do we put it with? 0. Okay, how'd you get that?
I got it because I did it up and down.
Up and down. So you, in your mind, wrote it out and subtracted. What did you subtract first?
I subtracted my ones. 5.
So you subtracted the ones first? What'd you? 5 minus 2 is what?
3.
3. Brayden, sit up for me.
And
Then what?
Then I subtracted my tens.
I like how you're saying the place of it. So your tens.
10 minus 0.
10 minus 0 is what?
10.
10. So what would I put here?
A 1.
A 1. Then what?
Then I subtracted my hundreds place. And I did 500 minus 400 and it gave me 100.
Okay. And then what did you do?
And then I subtracted my thousands place. 9,000 minus 0. And I got 9,000.
So what'd you get as your answer?
9,113.
9,113.
Wait, what?
So what's the difference between the answer we just got and the answer you told me it was?
Oh, I forgot to do my 10, so I got 0 instead of 10.
Exactly. You forgot about your tens place. So instead, we should have done 10 minus 0 and got what?
1,113.
All right. If you solved it up and down like Cora did, she heard me too. Did someone solve it differently? Okay. Ivy, how did you solve it?
I first took out of 9,515. I took out the 515.
So you had 9,515 and you're saying you took out 515?
Yes.
Why did you do that and leave the thousands?
I did that. I took the 100, tens, and ones and left the thousands because in our other number, there is no thousands.
Oh, so you realized that here we had no thousands. So you left this out?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see if she'll come back to it. So she's saying she just took that out, and then what did you do?
I subtracted 515 minus 402.
Like this?
Yes, ma'am, but I did it up and down.
Oh, you did it up and down, so let me rewrite that so we can see what your mind was thinking. 402. Okay, then what?
First, I subtracted 5 and 2, and I know that as a fast fact. 5 minus 2 is 3.
That is one of our fast facts. So in that case, 3 and 2 make
5.
Okay, then what did you do?
And I knew 10 minus 0 equal 10. So I put a 1s.
Put a 1 down in the tens place. I like how you guys are referring to our place values and then giving the value. Then what did you do?
Since I already knew 5 minus 2 was 3, I knew 500 minus 400 had to be 100.
100. Okay.
And then because I had my 9,000 left over, I added my 9,000 to my 113 and got 9,113.
I'm going to repeat that for her, okay? So remember in the beginning how she left the 9,000 there?
Yeah.
And she only worked with the hundreds, tens, and ones, and she brought it down here? Well, now she's remembering, and she's going back, and Talia, she says, oh, I have to add the 9,000. Why do you think she has to add the 9,000 to what she got, Talia?
Because
Did she have it there when she was subtracting? So doesn't she have to put it back?
yeah.
Ariana, wouldn't she have to put that 9,000 back? Yeah. So she's putting it back. Is she adding it or subtracting it? She's adding it. She's putting it back in. Okay, so what is 9,000 plus 113?
9,113.
9,113 is my answer. If you solved it the way Ivy did, shoot her, me too.
We only needed 402.
You what?
We only needed 402 to make that number.
To make,
No, 402 to make 9,515.
you're talking about we needed to subtract it?
No, we needed to add a 402 to 9,113 to make 9,515.
Did you guys hear what he just said?
No.
He's extending it. And he's saying that because we subtracted 9,515 minus 402, and we got the answer 9,113, he's saying to check our answer and make sure it's right, we can add 402 to 9,113. If we added 402 to that, what would we get as our answer?
9,515.
How do you know that's what we would get?
Because when we solved it, we got 9,113. So if we added 402, we would get 9,515.
Right, it's kind of like working backwards and plugging it back in so we get that other, our whole, right? When you add two parts, what do you get?
Your whole.
Your whole. All right, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
You got it. Remember, your thumb goes on your chest. You guys know that. Alea, what did you get?
3,585.
3,000.
500.
How do I write that?
You put the 5, then an 8, and another 5.
Good. 3,585. How did you get that as your sum?
Because I knew that I did it up and down.
So you solved it going up and down in your head? Okay. 1,545 plus 2,040. Like that? And what did you solve first?
I knew that 5 plus 0 equals 5.
So you knew 5 plus 0 equals 5. Then what?
And I knew 40 plus 40 equals 80, so I put an 8 at the bottom.
I love how you're saying the value of those 4s because it's in what place, guys?
10.
The 10s. 40 plus 40 is 80, so she put an 8. Then what did you do?
And I knew 500 plus 0 equals 500, so I put a 5.
Okay.
And I knew 1,000 plus 2,000 equals 3,000, so I put a 3.
So she got 3,585. If you solved it the way she did, shoot her me too. Did someone solve it differently? Like, did someone solve it going across maybe? Hannah, you solved it going across?
No.
Can you explain to me how you solved it, Hannah?
So,
Can you talk a little louder?
I got to 3,585.
That's the answer you got? Okay, 3,585.
I took out the 5 and added 0 to it.
Give me 1 second. Let's rewrite our problem. So you're telling me you solved it this way, and And you took out the what?
5.
Which 5? I see several 5s here. What place was it in?
The 1.
So you took out the 5 from the 1 place, and what did you do?
Added the 0 to it.
You added the 0 to it. So did you, in your mind, did you kind of put blanks down and worked with each place value? How'd you do it? Did you just float the 5 over to the side like that? How'd you do it? Did you maybe, oh no. Oh my goodness. 5, 4, 5. Did you maybe have your places out like that in your mind? So where did you put the 5 then?
At the 1.
At the 1's place. So do you guys see that she added going across this way? But while she was getting her answer, she lined up her digits and made sure she put the 5 where?
In the 1's place.
In the 1's place. If she didn't hold that 5 in the 1's place, would she be able to line her digits up accordingly? Probably not, right, Nassim? All right, go ahead, Hannah. Sorry about that.
And I knew 40 plus 40 equals 80.
So now you're in the 10's place. 40 plus 40 equals 80. So what did you put here in the 10's place?
The 80.
The 80. Okay. Then what?
I added the 500 plus 0 and I got 500.
500 plus 0. You got 500.
Then I added the thousands, which was 1,000 plus 2,000, and that made me get 3,000.
3,000. So what did you get as your answer? Can you say it again?
3,585.
Sure, me too, if you solved it the way she did. I see a lot of me too's there. Great job today. So as you know, when you get one type of problem, is there several ways we can solve it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's math, right?
Like how Ivy
Like how Ivy
did it.
did it earlier, exactly, like Hannah just showed us and Talea just showed us. And also remember what Braden said, is when we get our answer, Braden, can we go back and check it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's always a great idea. So great job, guys.
I have a question.
What's your question?
Is there a such thing as 240? That because he erased the comma in 2000.
I did erase the comma, but just because I erased the comma, does that change the value of these digits? No. That number is the same. Whether that comma's there or not, that's still 2040. And I know that because I have my 1's. Just because that comma's not there, Braden, does that mean that this place changes? No, not at all, right? 1's, 10's, 100's.
Thousands. And then 10,000.
Nothing. Can you erase the board for me?
Thank you.
And then a billion. I think a trillion.
We haven't learned trillions of billions.
The camera.